Well, everybody, it's a new chapter in this project. We cheated on driving these posts here. We drove them in with a backhoe. That first one up there in the corner that I drove in, I did by hand. I wanted that one to be absolutely perfect and straight in every way and at the right dimensions. So we got that one in real close. We're going to put another one in up here, and I'll show you why I'm jumping around here. To get the square of the building, which I know you can do that, you know, 3, 4, 5 thing, whatever it is. But what I did was I put that big square on over that end right beside the pipe, and I shot right across here and had Carol keep moving the pipe until it lined up with the square. You know, well within a ½ inch, which is fine for square in a greenhouse. I mean, we got plenty of plastic. This is an 88-foot house. We have to buy 100-foot plastic. So if this thing's out a ½ inch, no problem. Then we hooked onto the other side of the board, and we came across 30 feet and 1.5 inches. And that should be pretty darn close. Of course, we had to pound it around a little bit. And I'll get it to the mirror. Yeah, that's pretty darn close. I'm going to call it 1.5 inches. So this one's right on the money. Now we got to go down there on that end. We'll sight across. Well, probably we might do a measurement instead, because this one's vertical. We've got it in vertical, so we can run with the tape either way. But we'll probably get it close with that square. Matter of fact, I'll lug it down there with me, and then we'll do a tape measure verification. And once we do that, we're going to run a string, and then we'll just go every 4 feet. We'll just keep measuring, and they'll come out pretty darn close. So anyway, I'm going to shut you off for a little bit. I just got to set this up here and drill this one in, and we'll be ready to go to the other side. Well, everybody, we're just getting ready to put up our second bow. Gotta put it first, I guess. There we go. We've got a little gin pole on the front of the tractor here. Something I made. It was originally designed, or not really designed, there ain't much design into it, but it was originally put on here to lift some trusses when we built a tractor shed. And so we got it out to use it on the greenhouse. Get everything all up, go ever so gently. The natural tendency for these bows is to be about 1.5 feet too wide. They really didn't put enough bend in the top when they made them. Carol's got that one started. Still got to go ahead another 4 feet. Maybe come up a little bit. That looks pretty good. Just stay right there. Usually one end will get started right like that. Then we put a little tension down and we'll shake this on. I'm gonna let it down a little bit. There we go. Yeah. Ready? Wow. Huh. Well, let's
I don't have enough bend over here.
well, no, because it spreads so wide. That's what I was saying earlier about narrowing up the boards. Can you pick yours off? No, I'll come get it. Hang on. They're wedged right on there. This side here, we'll move to the other side. So we'll do this side last. Oh shit. We'll just put that one on. Oh cow.
What if I tap it with a hammer?
I don't know if you can move it enough. Huh. Well, tell you what I'm going to do. We'll unhook that up there. I'll put the forks against that side and put tension on it over this way. Gonna have to spring it somehow.
You want me over there? Or?
What's that?
You want me over there?
Well, everybody, it's after 4 o'clock. We didn't really get started till 11 because we had to return the compactor and deliver to the food pantries. It was a busy morning, so it was almost really after lunch is all we did. We've worked about 4 hours today. And, you know, we've bolted all that plank on, drove all those pipes. Best laid plans. We put 2-foot extensions on the first house. We liked them. They came out good. The house was built so that it handled it. This one here, we thought we'd do the same. But we found out when you put it up and then you put your cross piece on, that we've got too much elevation to hang plants. So we're having to cut every one of these off with a Sawzall, which doesn't take long. Talking probably 60 seconds per pipe. And over there it's so rocky that we never dug a trench under the sand, so we can't drive the long pipes in anyway. We already tried it. So what we're doing is we're taking the top that we cut off here and we're driving over there, and we're going to have a bunch of long pipes left over. But that's all right. It is what it is. And we've been using, as you probably saw, we was using this little rig in here. We hook it around like that, and then if I let it down a little bit on the pipe, it unhooks like that there. When it goes upside down, then I can pull it back off. So that's how we get it off the top. Anyway, I don't know if the camera was focused on that or not when I was telling you, but yeah, it's the end of the day. We're gonna call it 8 bows. You know, I'm good with that. So anyway, if you got to build a greenhouse, hope this might have helped somebody. This is the manufacturer of this is in New Hampshire. I don't know their names. We bought it secondhand. This hardware, there's 2 of these, has to be on every bow. So we drop them over the stubs. Before we put the bolt through, we just pull it up. Then we can slide them up when we want them. So one of them things, if you forget it, it's a son of a bitch. But you can still get them on. It just makes it more difficult. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. And don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the like button. Talk to you later.